To our commencing students, I offer the warmest of welcomes to UNSW and to Term 3 O Week. Your hard work has paid off as you embark on your new study path at one of the world's top 50 universities. Your choice to join us at UNSW will influence your lives in many powerful and positive ways long after your study here is finished. Whether you're in Australia or overseas, please know that you are very much a part of our community, and although for now some of you are not able to join us on campus, there is a wide range of online opportunities to help connect you to your academics, peers, and UNSW's vibrant student life. You'll find fantastic opportunities await you, so make the most of leadership programs, volunteer opportunities, and the friendships you will form by joining a club or society. The connections you make here will be a highlight of your UNSW experience. But while university is one of the most fulfilling times of personal growth and discovery, it can also feel overwhelming at different points. It is okay to not be okay, and we will support you through any rough patches and help get you back on track. So please put your hand up early and seek the help that is there for you if you need it. Make the most of your own week experience, get amongst the action, and take part in the many fun activities and events that ARC and your UNSW student community have planned, whether it's Culture Cafe, Prepping for Success, or First Year's Ask Us Anything. Be sure to involve yourself in a breadth of activity before starting your studies next week. Thank you for choosing UNSW. You are now part of our university's rich, diverse, and wonderful story.